Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. India has got a billion reasons to celebrate. India became the only country after China to inoculate a billion people. The journey from anxiety to assurance was only made possible due to the Jan Bhagidari. The feat is an example of the faith we as citizens placed in the Made in India vaccine despite various efforts by a section of the political class to create mistrust and panic. Prime Minister Modi, in his address to the nation, once again underlined that the vaccination program was science-born, science-driven and science-based. He panned the vaccine doubters and those who mocked when Indians united to boost the morale of our COVID warriors. He asserted that 100 crore vaccine doses is just not a number, but a reflection of Naya Bharat. Listen in to what the Prime Minister said in his 21-minute address at 10 a.m. earlier this morning.
जब 100 साल की सबसे बड़ी महामारी आई तो भारत पर सवाल उठने लगे। क्या भारत इस वैश्विक महामारी से लड़ पाएगा? भारत दूसरे देशों से इतनी वैक्सीन खरीदने का पैसा कहां से लाएगा? भारत को वैक्सीन कब मिलेगी? भारत के लोगों को वैक्सीन मिलेगी भी या नहीं? क्या भारत इतने लोगों को टीका लगा पाएगा कि महामारी को फैलने से रोक सके? भांति भांति के सवाल थे, लेकिन आज ये 100 करोड़ वैक्सीन डोज हर सवाल का जवाब दे रहा है। देश ने अपनी एकजुटता को ऊर्जा देने के लिए ताली थाली बजाई, दिए जलाए। तब कुछ लोगों ने कहा था कि क्या इससे बीमारी भाग जाएगी? इसी ताकत ने कोविड वैक्सीनेशन में आज देश को इतने कम समय में 100 करोड़ तक पहुंचाया है। सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास का सबसे जीवंत उदाहरण है। यह सुनिश्चित किया गया कि वैक्सीनेशन अभियान पर वीआईपी कल्चर हावी न हो। कोई कितने ही बड़े पद पर क्यों न रहा हो, कितना ही धनी क्यों न रहा हो, उसे वैक्सीन सामान्य नागरिकों की तरह ही मिलेगी।
It was a race against time, but India didn't back down. After a slow start, India rapidly marched towards the billion mark. The first 100 million doses were administered in 85 days. The next 100 million doses were administered in 45 days. The next 100 took 29 days, reducing the gap, and the best performance was the performance of 100 million in 11 days, and 1 billion mark was achieved in 19 days from the 900 million mark. But the opposition, which has criticized the centre whenever India achieved a historic feat, was seen yet again picking holes and finding faults. Listen in.
He should have apologized to the country. People are mourning untimely deaths of their loved ones. What are we complimenting ourselves for? In the entire world, there are 2 countries with 100 million plus population, and we are on number 2 in providing 100 million doses.
100 करोड़ हुए हैं भारत में, लेकिन याद रखिएगा 2 डोज मिले हैं सिर्फ 21% लोगों को। लोगों के ऊपर इतनी सारी समस्याएं हैं, इसकी कोई जिक्र नहीं। टीका से, महामारी से बचाना बिल्कुल सही है, लेकिन जो हमारे सामने आज चुनौतियां हैं जिसको पूरा करना है, उसके अंदर सरकार का क्या रुझान है, ये जो है कमी रह गई।
There is also a darker side in the sense that we could have achieved process of vaccinating all 135 people by now had we been little more alert.
Where was the collective fight when the second wave happened? Where was Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji when people were suffering and running door to door to get help?
So tonight, the legitimate question on the news hour. After insulting Atmanirbharta, now Bharat Mahabharat denied? That's the question and the debate. PM hails Bharat Maharat. That's the question and the debate on the other side. And joining me on the debate tonight, Ratan Sharda, author, Shehzad Poonawala, lawyer, Mayur Shekhar Jha, political analyst, Manoj Kaka, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Professor Om Prakash Mishra, spokesperson of the TMC. But my first question goes to Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP. And Sanju Verma, the opposition in one voice has asked the question, and the question is that the Prime Minister should be apologizing for the many lives that were lost in India, especially in the second wave, rather than celebrating this 100 crore milestone. Your response to this criticism?
Who is taking the credit, first of all? Is PM taking the credit? It is people who are giving the credit. The pharma manufacturers, the vaccine manufacturers themselves, Aadhar himself said this today in your own interview, that Modi ji led the entire fight and he has been unfairly criticized. It is not nobody else but opposition which has got some pain. Say pity the opposition people. You have to come with long faces when everybody in the nation is happy that we have reached the stage. It is a crime to enjoy some light in the sun when you have faced darkness for months together and people are so tired and so frustrated with what has happened for last nearly 2 years. Every moment has to be rejoiced, not because it is over, because you see a ray of light. And these people who come here with long faces, their problem is when people are in the party mood, they come all with party mood. These people come nude, believing that they should look different. Now, this attitude of looking different and somehow try to underline every good deed with something bad, they have to learn to live with people. People laugh at them. People know what is the reaction. If has Modi ji said it's a team effort, can you really wonder what kind of work COVID has done? 100 crore people's vaccination covered without any problem, without any glitch. Show me one software in the world which has done it. Show me one world which is such a huge country which has double the population of Europe, and where the logistics is so difficult. Still you find people going on feet, going to different distant lands, carrying the vaccines everywhere. Is it not an achievement? Is it not an achievement that for the first time Indian scientists created a vaccine because there was a lot of stress that we will have our own vaccine or we cannot afford the kind of cost that global companies will put on us? We still see how global pharma companies are trying to oppress us. Are we ready for that? And look at the vaccine hesitancy. These people created the same party poopers, the Rudalis, the uncles, Fufajis who said don't take vaccine, it is BJP का vaccine, it is something else. So ये आप इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाएंगे, आपका क्या नहीं होगा, ये सब कहने वाले लोगों को कभी तो शर्म आनी चाहिए ना. किसी ने कहा कि सारा पूरा हो गया? No. Modi ji has clearly said the problem is not over. We must be very cautious. And if we reach 1 crore, we will reach 200 crore also. Don't worry. And speed will be better. Smooth. And these people are representing states. What did they do when they were given the right to purchase vaccines? They totally floundered. They flopped. And court had to say to central government, please take over. As soon as they took over, things went smoothly. It shows your total lack of preparedness. Kerala, down in the dumps, none of them dare speak. When 40% of the vaccine population, the sick COVID population came from Kerala. For months together, nobody worried. Supreme Court slapped them saying don't give relaxation. They gave relaxation. Maharashtra scoring next to Kerala. Nobody speaks about it. So it is a question of failure or success. When such a huge Mahamari comes, tell me, did USA have this kind of problems or not? They had. Europe had a problem. They did not treat people more than 60 years. Did anybody speak about that? There were rows of coffins stored in ice vans. Did anybody joke about that? No. Because it's a huge tragedy. And this Thali Bajana which is joked about Tell me which country in the world has such huge citizen participation in relieving the COVID victims. Give me one example. At least 5 million RSS people work, and imagine the number of other people who work. Nowhere in the world is a record that citizens participated. Why?
Well, Professor
Om
Om Prakash Mishra, that's the point. Mr. Ratan Sharda is saying that there was citizen participation. So what if there wasn't political participation? And the moot point is that many states, and health is a state subject, many states fail to handle the situation. Yet, when it comes to the blame, it will be only Mr. Modi who has to take the blame. That's a question viewers are today asking.
Well, you yourself have said that Prime Minister, he is taking the credit. He would also be apportioned the blame. Well, we appreciate that we have reached this, as you say, milestone. And I am also very proud of our Prime Minister that now he has become a believer in science. He and his political origin in the RSS, that is anti-science. In fact, even after he had become the Prime Minister,
this is the worst kind of comment I have heard. Dear friend, just said that I will not let it pass.
Oh, which is it?
I will not let it pass, Navika. Hindutva is the most scientific approach to the world.
Don't have to let it pass.
Nobody
Who are you?
Because they are scientists.
Come. Pipe down. Pipe down.
Because they are scientists.
Pipe
Only
down.
other Abrahamic religions.
All right, Ratan Sharda ji, allow Professor Mishra to make his point. I will give you time to rebut him if you have any objections to what he says, but allow him to complete his point. Yes, Professor Mishra.
I have noted that amount of time that Mr. Sharda got. In any case, now, well, actually, we have the challenges. Only 21% of the population has been vaccinated. And by vaccination, I mean the double vaccination, which is the requirement. And then if we say that no country has been able to do that, that is not correct. In fact, we are the second most populous country in the world. So therefore, we can either beat the Chinese or beat the other countries. So we have not been able to beat China. So therefore, something which is appreciable, everybody has participated, all the states have contributed, citizens have contributed, but to make it as an advertisement, make it as something that we have done very great, and to credit the Prime Minister, one who actually is in favor of thali bajana, diya jalana. So all that is not required at all. In fact, all this is only to divert the attention from the great mismanagement of the COVID situation by the union government. And secondly, as I said, and I am repeating it here, that the Prime Minister, I am glad that he is talking about science. He is the one, after he became Prime Minister, talked about जो हनुमान जी का जो कैसे वो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी था, कैसे जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग था, तो वहां से हटके आए, अच्छा लगा. Sharda ji is RSS person, so therefore that is how and why he picked it up. But I am appreciating the Prime Minister now that he has become a convert to a science.
Well, Sanju Verma now back with us. And Sanju Verma, I want to ask you this question that the opposition has raised. They say, why credit the Prime Minister when he was distracting attention by thali bajana, and he should be apologizing for the loss of lives in the country due to mismanagement? Respond to that criticism.
Yeah. Navika ji, can you hear me? Because
yes, absolutely, loud and clear.
Okay. So now, I'll just take 1 minute. I heard some of the other panelists. I wanted to say there's a famous saying in Hindi. Hindi mein muhavra hai, खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे. आज पूरे opposition, they have eggs splashed on their face and forget being the national spokesperson of the BJP. As a proud, tax-paying, honest Indian citizen, I am so thrilled at this milestone of 100 crore vaccination jabs having been administered. And the very lot which is giving bhashan today, Navika, I remember Manish Tiwari of the Congress. I remember Shashi Tharoor of the Congress. I remember Jairam Ramesh of the Congress. All the tweets were written with the same language in the same style when Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, gave EUA emergency approval to Covaxin. All these three gentlemen said, is the Modi government treating Indian citizens as guinea pigs? आज आपको हर ताली का जवाब मिला है, थाली बजाने का जवाब मिला है, हर दिया जो जलाया गया उसका जवाब मिला है. Every candle that was lit to showcase solidarity with the Indian scientific community and a medical fraternity. उन सब चीजों का जवाब 21 अक्टूबर 2021 को सबको मिल चुका है. And I just want to say one thing. These people say, so what if 100 crore doses have been administered? Excuse me. The Congress ruled India for more than 45 or 50 odd years, and we did not even have 10,000 ventilators. It was last year in 2020 that 2,000 crore rupees was sanctioned from the PM CARES fund, and order was placed for 50,000 ventilators. When the COVID pandemic struck, we did not even have 2 testing laboratories. Today we have more than 2,000 testing laboratories. We did not used to manufacture even a single PPE kit in February 2020. Today we are net exporters of PPE kits, manufacturing more than 6 lakh PPE kits per day. We exported more than 15 crore and 95 masks. So I want to ask people who say, oh, but so many people died. Yes, we stand in solemn solidarity for the victims, for the disease, for the families of those who lost, precious lives. But I want to ask one thing. ये शिवसेना की प्रवक्ता जो भाषण दे रही थी, let me remind them, 1.41 lakh people have died, Navika ji, in Maharashtra. Out of the total number of COVID deaths, Maharashtra accounts for 31% of the total deaths in India. But भाषण किसको दिया जा रहा है? नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार को. Highest vaccination wastage in Rajasthan. भाषण किसको दिया जा रहा है? नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार को. Even today, more than 1 lakh active COVID cases come from Kerala. But people will not say that the Kerala model is a disaster. भाषण किसको दिया जा रहा है?
मयूर शेखर झा सवाल तो ठीक उठाए हैं संजू वर्मा ने. She is asking the question. It was the Congress party's big leaders who asked the question, are Indians being treated like guinea pigs? आप emergency use vaccination को दे रहे हैं. If we hadn't started the vaccination then, if we hadn't protected our population, many more would have faced the wrath of the second wave. And Mayur Shekhar Jha, that is the reality that we must recognize. Yes, there were problems. Yes, there were problems of handling such a big population and such a huge pandemic and a completely mutated virus. But the fact is, some steps have to be, acknowledged when they take place.
Navika, do you remember the letter that Dr. Manmohan Singh wrote to the Prime Minister? That was the Congress's official position as far as the vaccination is concerned. What an individual leader said in an individual capacity is his concern.
Oh.
That's not the stand. No, our official
three individual leaders. Or, two of them belong to the Central Working Committee, but speak in their individual capacity. They were never stopped by the Congress party. There was no statement from the Congress party distancing itself. Yet they are individuals. Congress party is separate. All right.
The official position as far as the vaccination drive is concerned of the Congress party is the letter that Dr. Manmohan Singh wrote to the Prime Minister of India. Is the position that Rahul Gandhi took. What an individual says in his tweets is not the position of the Congress party. Sanjuji, let me finish. Sanjuji, I heard you very patiently. Let me finish. Congress party has always been in favor of. Sanjuji, I heard you. Please let me finish. Sanjuji, I am humbly requesting you. Please let me finish. The position, Navika, the official position of the Congress party is that we have always been in favor of expediency as far as vaccination drive is concerned. We even advised the Prime Minister to get rid of the red tape and ensure
100 crore doses. Today, when we have
Mr. Mayur Shekhar Jha, Mr. Mayur Shekhar Jha, let's just be a little fair here. Let's just be a little fair. During the second wave, we were with you questioning the government on the delays, on the mismanagement, on the lack of availability of beds, medicines, oxygen, all of that. And nobody is denying that these were realities at that time. Nobody is denying that there was a problem in all of these areas. The fact is, we went through that phase, we collected ourselves, we fought back, and today we are at this juncture. I want to ask you, and since you say what Rahul Gandhi says is the official position of the Congress party, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has not even acknowledged the doctors, the nurses, the COVID warriors yesterday. Is that the official position? Is that the official position of the Congress party that these doctors, these COVID warriors don't matter?
Navika, you need to open your eyes to see his acknowledgement. I'm not getting into that right now, Navika. As far as the whole thing of credit goes, Navika, you run a television channel. Your beat reporter goes out on a beat. He does a routine story. He covers a routine press conference. How much do you applaud that beat reporter? That's his job, Navika. If healthcare is not the fundamental responsibility of the government, then what is?
Whose
We
job?
are living in times
Whose job are you talking about, Mayur Shekhar Jha? Mayur Shekhar Jha, whose job are you talking about?
What is given? Why Sanju
Okay,
Verma
it's
is
the
being
job
allowed
of the
to
government.
enter?
It's the job of the government. Fine, don't thank the government. I don't expect you to thank the government. I don't expect you to thank the Prime Minister. But can you thank the scientists? Can you thank the medical practitioners? Can you thank the ward boys, the nurses, the doctors? Can you thank the manufacturers? Will you thank them? Or does Mr. Rahul Gandhi believe that even they are hand in glove with Modi and therefore they don't deserve any congratulations?
One person who needs to be thanked the most is that Asha worker.
1 minute, Sanju Verma, please, one by one. Yes.
Navika, the one person who deserves to be acknowledged the most is my Asha worker, is my Anganwadi worker, who's going door to door carrying the vaccination
चलिए उनको ही thank कर दीजिए.
Navika, is it for the first time that a vaccination drive has been executed?
Yes, for the first time that an indigenous manufacturer has discovered the formula of making a vaccination in India.
Navika,
for the first time, India was way ahead of other countries partnered with the Oxford and manufactured in India even before global clearances came, and for the first time in 11 months a vaccination was made available in a pandemic to an Indian population. Mayur Shekhar Jha, are you not proud of your country? Are you not proud Indian?
I am extremely proud of my country. I am extremely proud of every single Asha and Anganwadi worker who went to the grassroots.
I am not saying that the Congress party should congratulate the Prime Minister. I am saying should they salute our scientists, our manufacturers and our COVID warriors, our frontline health workers or not?
My patriotism is about the loyalty to my people. My patriotism is about the loyalty to India. That does not necessarily translate that I should thank Mr. Modi that I am alive today. That I should thank Mr. Modi that I am able to sleep today.
शहजाद पूनावाला, एलर्जी मोदी की है. एलर्जी मोदी की है, लेकिन इस चक्कर में एक मिनट मयूर शेखर झा, अब आप बोल चुके, अपना सारा पेट्रियोटिज्म दिखा चुके, अब किसी और को बोल लेने दीजिए. शहजाद पूनावाला, you know, the problem is there is an allergic reaction. There is an allergic. Can I speak on my own show, Mayur Shekhar Jha? Otherwise, I'll have to put your fader down.
Waving hands and taking credit for vaccination. That's not the responsibility of my Prime Minister. As a citizen, my responsibility is to question my Prime Minister.
Okay.
As a journalist,
Can I speak now, Navika? 25 minutes.
I've given you a minute and a half, Mayur Shekhar Jha. Now I'm lowering your fader. Pardon me, but my viewers cannot be subjected to this. All right. Shehzad Poonawalla, the allergic reaction is to Mr. Modi, but in the bargain, they will not even acknowledge our scientific community, manufacturers, investors in the private sector, and doctors and nurses and health workers. Is that fair?
See, it's quite ironic that a party that has actually given credit for everything under the sun to one family. Now, this is really unfair, Navika. I have not even spoken for 2 seconds and I can feel interruptions coming in. Is this the way to have a debate? Then please carry on. There is no point in having this
Shehzad
debate.
Poonawalla, his fader is down,
speak,
and
Navika?
you are free to make your point. His fader is down. I can't do anything more than that. I can't begin to shoot people.
Ji. No. Nobody's asking you to shoot them, but of course they should have some common courtesies. But this is the problem. The problem is कि इनके ऊपर इतना संक्रमण छाया हुआ है मोदी फोबिया का कि अब वो देश की उपलब्धि को भी मोदी विरोध में एक्नॉलेज नहीं कर पा रहे। और ये वही पार्टी है जिसने परिवार को देश मानकर 400 स्कीमें परिवार के नाम पर शुरू कर दी, सारे रोड से लेकर सारे शौचालय तक उनके नाम पर रख दिए, और पाकिस्तान के 2 टुकड़े हुए तो उसका भी श्रेय इंदिरा गांधी को दे दिया, आर्मी को कभी नहीं दिया। बहरहाल पर वो सब्जेक्ट नहीं है। आज भारत की क्या उपलब्धि रही? हमारे पास संसाधन न होते हुए भी हमने पूरी दुनिया का 14% टीका लगवाया। हमारे पास संसाधन न होते हुए भी 1 महीना बाद यूएस से शुरू करने के बावजूद भी हमने यूएस से दुगने टीके लगवा दिए, यूरोपियन यूनियन से ज्यादा टीके लगवा दिए। जिन लोगों को न्यूजीलैंड के प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बहुत आकांक्षा थी कि वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन जाए, 1 दिन में 4 न्यूजीलैंड को वैक्सीनेट कर दिया। भारत ने 2 वैक्सीन अपने आप तैयार किए और वो भी 11 महीने में 100 करोड़ डोजेस दे दी, इतनी चैलेंजेस के बावजूद। और पहले की सरकारों ने भी ये काम किया, पर उनको 32 साल लगे, 20 साल लगे, 30 साल लगे, चाहे वो पोलियो का उदाहरण हो जो कि ओरल वैक्सीन था, ना कि इंजेक्शनेबल वैक्सीन। बहरहाल पर यह सवाल नहीं है। सवाल यह है कि अगर मयूर शेखर झा जी की क्रिटिसिज्म जेन्युइन भी है, मैं मान लेता हूं क्रिटिसिज्म जेन्युइन है, तो बताइए सबसे ज्यादा मौतें जो हुई वो किस राज्य में हुई? महाराष्ट्र में हुई। सबसे ज्यादा कोविड के केसेस अब लगातार कौन से राज्य से आ रहे हैं? केरला से आ रहे हैं। क्या एक भी बार राहुल गांधी ने इस विषय पर बोला? नहीं बोला। क्या उन्होंने इस्तीफा मांगा? नहीं मांगा। ये कहते हैं कि मुफ्त की वैक्सीन नहीं दी, बिल्कुल नहीं दी मुफ्त की वैक्सीन। जिनको अफोर्ड कर पाते हैं आप और मेरे जैसे लोग, तो हमने खरीदा वो वैक्सीन। परंतु मुझे यह बताइए कि अमीरों को गरीबों की वैक्सीन चुराकर देने वाला एकमात्र राज्य कौन सा था? पंजाब का राज्य था, जो कांग्रेस का राज्य था। राजस्थान ने हर मामले में वैक्सीन से लेकर खरीद में घोटाले का एक नया आयाम तैयार किया। उसके ऊपर राहुल गांधी ने कितना बोला? तो सवाल यह है कि केवल विरोध के लिए विरोध करना। और मैं आखिरी सवाल केवल एक मयूर झा से पूछना चाहता हूं कि मयूर झा यह बता दीजिए कि अगर ये सारे लोग नॉन रेलेवेंट है, मनीष तिवारी, जयराम रमेश, शशि थरूर, जिन्होंने कोवैक्सीन पर सवाल उठाया, तो उन पर आपने आज तक कौन सा बयान इशू किया? वो इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी में था ना, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी आकर कह देती कि नहीं, हम नहीं मानते हैं। एक तो समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता वो है जिन्होंने कहा कि अल्लाह का कहर है, इसकी वजह से कोरोना आया।
Question on Punjab and the question on guinea pigs. Do you want to respond to that? I'll give you 45 seconds.
Yes, I do, Navika.
Yeah.
Navika, the whole question is that, as I at the beginning of this debate only, I said the official position of this Congress party as far as the vaccination drive is concerned is the position of Dr. Manmohan Singh. It is the position of Rahul Gandhi. And I am not going to comment on a position that an individual has taken. Congress party has been in favor of thinking about expediency. Congress party has been in favor of
Punjab question.
Congress party has been in favor.
Do you know there was a government notification in Punjab to divert vaccinations from government hospitals to private hospitals to sell them at a premium and make a profit in it?
I'm glad that the process that the government followed as far as delivery
who was robbing poor people of their vaccinations? Respond to that question.
By the former Prime Minister of India.
Who was robbing the poor people of the vaccinations and diverting it to private hospitals in Punjab? Respond to that.
Navika, it has happened in all the hospitals of Delhi. It has happened in all the big hospitals of this country.
चलो, उन्होंने किया तो हमने भी किया. That's the explanation. Well, let me ask Manoj Kaka. I'm coming to you, Sanju Verma. But Manoj Kaka जी, मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक ही सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ कि अखिलेश यादव जी ने तो आज तक वैक्सीनेशन लगवाई नहीं, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा ये वैक्सीनेशन बीजेपी की है। और मुझे ही एक इंटरव्यू में कहा पहले सारे भारत को लग जाए वैक्सीनेशन तब मैं लगवाऊंगा। मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूं कि बहुत से लोग हेजिटेशन कर रहे हैं सेकंड डोज में, कई लोग फर्स्ट डोज में। क्या जन सेवा का ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप उनको एनकरेज करें कि वो वैक्सीनेशन लगवाएं? क्या नेताओं का ये फर्ज नहीं है? क्या अखिलेश जी को वैक्सीनेशन नहीं लगवाना चाहिए, सोशल मीडिया पे अपनी फोटो नहीं डालनी चाहिए ताकि सारे कार्यकर्ता भी लगवाएं वैक्सीनेशन, या परहेज है उन्हें वैक्सीनेशन सर्टिफिकेट से?
नविका, आपने अपने कार्यक्रम में भी उनसे पूछा, और आप एक देश की विदुषी पत्रकार हैं जो पत्रकारिता कम और पक्षकारिता ज्यादा करती हैं। आप पक्षकारिता की नायकत्व कर रही हैं। आपसे आपके कार्यक्रम में भी उन्होंने यह स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि मैं वैक्सीन तब लगवा लूंगा जब वैक्सीनेशन के सर्टिफिकेट पे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की फोटो नहीं रहेगी। और दुनिया भर का उन्होंने यूरोप का उदाहरण दिया, उन्होंने यूएस कंट्रियों का उदाहरण दिया, अफ्रीकन कंट्रियों का उदाहरण।
हमारे देश के वैज्ञानिकों पर उनको भरोसा नहीं, देश की पुलिस पर भरोसा नहीं, देश की सेना पर भरोसा नहीं, वो पत्रकारों को सर्टिफिकेट ना बांटते फिरे।
पहले बात सुन लो, मैंने एक बात इंटरप्ट नहीं किया।
नहीं, आप पत्रकार को क्यों हमला कर रहे हैं? पत्रकार को क्यों हमला कर रहे हैं?
कोई बात नहीं,
नाविका कुमार पर
पत्रकारों पर हमला करना इनका जमशेद अधिकार है, करते रहने दीजिए। इनकी रिपोर्ट कार्ड से हमारी सेहत पर असर नहीं पड़ता। हम जो सवाल पूछते हैं वो पूछते रहेंगे।
देश में मौतों का तांडव था, लोगों की लाशें इसी गंगा में बह रही थी। आपने सवाल किया,
ये मनोज काका और इसकी पार्टी है कौन सी कि किसी को सर्टिफिकेट दे? नहीं, आपको कौन अधिकार दे रहा है?
संजू वर्मा कमिंग इन। यस, संजू वर्मा इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू यू, मनोज काका जी। संजू वर्मा,
संजू वर्मा जैसे लोग क्या बताएंगे? पीएम केयर फंड जो देश भर।
मिश्रा जी आपके पास भी आ रही हूँ। मिश्रा जी, आई एम कमिंग टू यू। जस्ट गिव मी 30 seconds आफ्टर संजू वर्मा, आई एम कमिंग टू यू।
अगर वो चाहते हैं का पैसा अगर पारदर्शी रहे तो उसमें क्यों नहीं आरटीआई लागू होने दे रहे हैं? तो देश के गरीबों, किसानों, सबने जो दान दिया उस पैसे का बीजेपी के हेडक्वार्टर बन रहे हैं।
मनोज काका जी, all right, I'm lowering your fader. Sanju, respond and then I'm getting in Om Prakash Mishra ji. Yes, Sanju Verma.
ठीक है। अभी नाविका जी, आपके ऊपर इन्होंने इतनी टिप्पणियां की, they don't have content in their argument, so the best case scenario is to attack the journalist asking the right questions. अभी मनोज काका जी बड़ा ध्यान से सुनिए, कान खोल कर। First and foremost, as Navika mentioned, health is a state subject. Disaster management by and large is a state subject. Transportation is a state subject. अभी पूरी कोविड महामारी के दौरान वेंटिलेटर्स किसने उपलब्ध करवाए? मोदी सरकार ने। एट द रेट ऑफ 9,300 MT ऑक्सीजन पर डे किसने उपलब्ध करवाया? मोदी सरकार ने। क्रायोजेनिक टैंकर्स किसने उपलब्ध करवाए? मोदी सरकार ने। ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर किसने उपलब्ध करवाए? मोदी सरकार ने। विपक्ष क्या कर रहा था? राहुल गांधी वुड वेक अप एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग एंड स्टार्ट ट्रोलिंग द मोदी गवर्नमेंट। 2-3 ट्वीट लिखे, बस काम हो गया दिन का। क्या किया राहुल गांधी ने वायनाड के लिए? क्या किया सोनिया गांधी ने रायबरेली के लिए? क्या किया अखिलेश यादव ने अपने संसदीय क्षेत्र के लिए? जीरो, नथिंग। बाय द वे, लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। द यूएस हैज अ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ barely 33 crore and has already reported 7.33 lakh.
Well, we are not in a competition for comparing deaths, but Om Prakash Mishra, you know, we've reached a stage where from criticizing politicians, we even begin to criticize and verbally lynch journalists. Be that as it may, I want to ask you that isn't it the duty of every politician, of every political party, to encourage people to take the vaccination? Do you agree with people who don't take a vaccination, who don't spread that awareness? Because if we have to fight COVID, there is only going to be one protection, and that's the vaccination.
Navika ji, you know, I do criticize you and the channel only because whenever the BJP spokesperson or the apologist for the BJP, they are speaking, then nobody can interrupt. But as soon as the Samajwadi Party spokesperson speaks, somebody has to interrupt him, or if I speak, somebody has to interrupt him. This is not fair. In any case, thank you very much for allowing me say next 60
because
seconds.
you peddle lies.
1 minute,
60
Sanju
seconds.
Verma. Sanju Verma.
60 seconds.
No, whether whatever he says, he has the
60
right to
seconds.
say. You cannot
therefore,
interrupt him.
this
1
lady,
minute.
this
1 minute,
poisonous
Sanju
voice
Verma.
here,
You know,
poisonous
courtesy is a
voice
two-way
here.
street.
तो ये
Courtesy
क्या
is a
हो रहा
two-way
है?
street. 1
ये
minute.
क्या हो
Yes,
रहा है?
मिश्रा जी.
ये क्या
Yes.
चैनल है आप लोगों की?
मिश्रा जी, मैंने सारे
I
फेडर्स
am
डाउन
trying-
कर दिए
give me
हैं.
60
सारे
seconds.
फेडर्स डाउन कर दिए हैं. सिर्फ आप बोलेंगे.
All right. 60 seconds. We are proud Indians, each one of us, including those who are from the BJP. We are proud Indians. But it is not necessary for us to be a follower of Prime Minister Modi, who
Fair.
actually has been presiding over the undermining of India, presiding over the economic ruin of India, and one who actually is responsible for this rapid spread of COVID and a great mismanagement of the COVID situation. We are ashamed of our Prime Minister. बीजेपी के कारण, इतना मिसमैनेजमेंट के कारण आज ये हालत हुई है. You are bringing Akhilesh Yadav ji. He is a very respected politician, one of the top politicians. And here in Bengal, we stand shoulder to shoulder with every opposition which is fighting against the BJP.
Please do.
Those who are trying to undermine
I
India's
also have
constitutional
great respect
democracy.
for every
And so
politician,
therefore-
whether in the
therefore-
opposition or in the government. But I'm asking you, shouldn't politicians also have a duty to spread awareness to fight against COVID? Simple question, sir.
ताली और थाली.
नहीं, only vaccination.
Anti-scientific
Only
mindset.
vaccination.
Or anti-scientific mindset.
Only vaccination.
Vaccination is only 21%. Why are we lying? Why we are
रतन
teaching
शारदा,
ourselves?
रतन शारदा
21%
सवाल का
people have
जवाब
got
नहीं
it.
देंगे,
Only 21%
लेकिन क्रिटिसाइज
have got
करेंगे
it.
जो इनका
Not
हक है.
79%.
मिश्रा जी मैं कुछ बोलूं भी, आपकी आज्ञा हो तो. मिश्रा जी आज्ञा हो तो बोलूं मैं.
आपने इंटरप्ट
शुक्र
किया.
है.
आपने पहले इंटरप्ट किया था, याद कीजिएगा.
आप
अब
कर
आगे
लीजिए, आप
आगे
पहले
बढ़
कर
जाइए.
लीजिए.
हाँ,
आप पहले कर लीजिए, मैं फिर
उसके बाद
बोलूंगा.
बात करें.
आप एडवांस में कर
नहीं,
लीजिए.
कोई बात नहीं. आप चालू हो
ठीक
जाओ,
है.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. मुझे
ठीक है,
कोई
फिर
दिक्कत
आप
नहीं
interrupt
है.
करेंगे,
आप
कोई
बोलो,
बात
मैंने
नहीं.
बोल
पहली
दिया.
बात.
थैंक यू नबिका जी.
पहली
for allowing
बात.
me to speak.
पहली बात, इन्होंने कहा कि इंडिया का इकोनॉमिक परफॉर्मेंस डिजास्टर्स है. इनको नहीं पता कि दुनिया की सारी इकोनॉमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन ने इंडिया का ग्रोथ रेट दुनिया में सबसे अधिक बताया है, आपके प्रिय मित्र चाइना से भी अधिक. जहां तक वैक्सीन का बात है, चाइना एक डिक्टेटरशिप है. उनको 4 महीने के एडवांस नोटिस थी. वुहान वायरस पहले आ चुका था, वायरस उन्होंने बना लिया था. उससे आप कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. या तो अगर अखिलेश कहते हैं वैक्सीन मत लगाओ तो लोग नहीं लगाते. तीसरी बात, यह जब कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता बैठे हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि ये 3 नेता ये ऑफिशियल बोलने वाले नहीं है, और ये खुद जो बोले भी ऑफिशियल नहीं है. तो इनकी बात को सही माना जाए कि नहीं? ये तो खुद को पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट कहते हैं, खुद को ये कहते हैं कि हम तो इंडिपेंडेंट है, तो ऑफिशियल स्पोक्स पर्सन कैसे हुए? तीसरी बात, मिश्रा जी ने बहुत अनसाइंटिफिक बातें कही. इन्होंने जिस तरह से मोदी जी की फोटो को लेके आपत्ति की है, you will remember Yogendra Yadav has been suspended by farmer agitation team today because he visited the lynched BJP workers. That is their political racism. Finally, coming to scientific temper, Mishra ji has reduced scientific temper to a joke. He doesn't know that India was the first one to do plastic surgery. He denies that India was first to do the ophthalmic surgery. He denies that we had the best possible infection controllable measures. Their party said that Ram is a myth. So these kind of unscientific people who don't agree that India had the best possible science would always joke about Hindu science because they believe कि सब कुछ वैसे से आया था. So इस तरह की बातें करके आप अपने आप को जोक बना रहे हैं.
All I can say tonight is the opposition reserves the right to fight, to criticize, and to call the Prime Minister names. India's achievements notwithstanding, there's no way they're going to appreciate it, even if it means appreciation is equal to pulling up the morale of our medical workers, scientists, and manufacturers. Because by appreciating the feat of 1 billion vaccinations, they fear it will end up appreciating the Prime Minister, and that's a no-go area for the opposition. Well, do you agree with that standpoint? I don't know. Take a call, because you, the viewer, is the final judge. Thank you very much to my panelists for joining me on debate number 1. Debate number 2 on the other side.
The News Hour at 9 will be right back after the break.